Hi! Good morning, children, and welcome back to Circle Time. Good morning, children. How are you? How are you today? I'm great. Thank you. And how about you? Yes, last week we have learned about pilot and airport. Do you remember, children? Yes, we talk about an aeroplane. And today we are going to talk about. Wow! This is a train. Can you say train? Wow, look at the train, children. It's so long. Have you ever traveled by train? Was it fun? Do you want to know more about train, children? Okay, let's go. Come with me. Now, look at these children. If you want to travel by train, then you can go to the train station. Can you say train station? Yes, what can you see, children? I can see the train. Yes, and then I can see many people. And also I can see the bags. This is the train station. If you want to travel by the train, go to train station. Now in Jakarta, we have Gambir train station. Yes, this is Gambir, children. Gambir is a train station in Jakarta. So, first one, you can see your train timetable. You can find in the train station. And you can see the time the first train leaves from your stop. What time it arrives at the place you are going. And how many stops there are before you get off. For example, I want to go from Gambir to Malang. Now, then you can see the schedule. Oh, the train will leave at 16:20. So make sure you have to arrive on time in the train station. And don't forget to buy train ticket. Can you say train ticket? Yes, this is the train ticket, children. So, if you show the train ticket to the staff, you can go to the train. Now, how if you bring a lot of
bags?
Don't worry, we have porters. Can you say porters? This man is a porter, children. All the porters are wearing uniform. Porter is a man
Who help in carrying luggage? Like this.
Oh, I bring a lot of bags. I need someone who help me to carry my bags. So you can call porters. And don't forget to pay the porters. Now it's time to go inside. If you don't want to print your ticket, it's okay, children. We have a new machine in the station. This is a face recognizing machine. So you just stand in front of the door and then the machine will recognize your face and ta-da! The door will open and you can come inside the station. Now it's time to wait in the railway platform. Railway platform is an area alongside a railway track, providing convenient access to the trains. So while waiting the train, you can sit down here, you can read a book, you can play with your family, or maybe you want to eat first, you want to drink first. Yes, you can wait in the railway platform. Now it's time to say hello to conductor. Can you say conductor? Yes, this is the train conductor. Conductor is a man who checks the ticket, assists the passengers, coordinate with the train driver. So this man makes sure safety procedures are followed. Now, how about this one, children? This is the train driver. So train driver is a man who operates the train. If conductor, the man who check the ticket. If train driver, the man who operate the train. Yes. Now this is the train waiter, children. Train waiter will greet you and give you menus and take food and drink orders. So if you're hungry and you want to buy some food, don't worry. You can call train waiters. Okay, so that's about the train. Wow, look at the train, children. It's so long. Train. Okay, now it's time to review the lesson. Question number 1. Who is driving the train? Who is driving the train? Is it pilot or train driver? Who is driving the train? Yes, that's the train driver. If pilot is a man who drives the aeroplane. Yes, train driver drives the train. Okay, number 2. A place where people go when they want to travel by the train. Is it airport or train station? If you want to travel by train, you can go to train station. Yes, go to train station. Number 3, we need to show blank 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 to show that we are allowed to get on the train. What do you need to show? Ticket or money? Show your ticket. Yes, this is the ticket. So you can go to the train. Now, how about this one, children? People who help in carrying luggages. Is it porters or conductor? People who help in carrying luggages. Porters. Yes, which one is porters? Yes, that's good. This one, porters. A man who help carrying your luggage. If I want to buy food in the train, I need to call waiter or conductor. I want to buy food. I'm hungry. I need to call waiters. Yes. Okay. So that's about the train and train station, children. Now it's time to take your paper. We want to trace the path with your cotton bud and the pen. Now you can take your cotton bud, children, and your pen. Look at Miss Sandy first and you may try.
Wow, look at this train, children. We can use our cotton bud and the pen to draw a line to connect the two trains. Stay in the middle of the path. Now dip the cotton bud into the pen. Hold with your right hand and let's trace the path. Some more. Yes, like this. Now you may try, children. Let's go to the second picture. Straight line to the right. Going down. Straight Straight line to the left. Going down. To the left. Going down. To the right. Up, 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 up. To the right. Yes. Wow. I have straight line and curved line. Now number 3. Dip, dip, dip into the paint. Slanting up, slanting down. Curve around. Curve around. Down to the right. Up, 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 up. Yes. Number 4. Stay in the middle of the path. Yes, I'm done. Now it's your turn, children. If you are done, you can show it to me.
Okay, now if you are done, children, you may tidy up your paper, tidy up the cotton bud and the paint. Before we end the lesson, I have a song for you. Let's sing together.
Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling up the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling down the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Rolling forward, round and round you go. Rolling backwards, slow, slow, slow. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling up the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling down the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Rolling faster, round and round you go. Rolling slower, slow, slow, slow. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling up the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling down the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling up the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling down the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo!
Yes, we have finished the lesson for today. So, what do you learn today, children? We learned about train. Yes, train station, conductor, train driver, porters, and train waiters. Okay, now if you are done, you may tidy up, children, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.